Grand Rising Soul Seekers. I'm Nev, your guide in today's journey to connect with nature. This will be a 5-minute journey today. For this journey, you will need something to cover your eyes and a blanket for your body as you lay down to journey. It's best to listen to this track with headphones on. This will allow you to hear the drum beat better. Have something to write with and write on beside you, because you may want to write things down when you come out of your journey. With the drum beat, your brain goes into a theta state, which is a step before you go into a dream state. If you find it difficult to imagine, that will be your ego stepping into the spotlight. Acknowledge your ego and say, "Thank you for keeping me safe. I would like to explore my imagination. Now, please let me go." And it will. If your brain is in chatter, observe that and acknowledge that as well. And after that, I want you to imagine you are painting the inside of your mind completely black. Now that you have a blank slate, you should be able to visualize easier. Don't think too much into it. You'll want to imagine yourself in a place in nature where you've been before that has made you feel happy and brought joy to you. If you know your power animal, you may call out to them to support you on this journey. Let's take a few deep breaths in through your nose, hold for 4 seconds, then release it slowly from your nose or your mouth, whichever makes you feel more comfortable. On the first breath, we will set the intention to call our energy back from all people, places, or things it may have attached to. And when we release the breath, we release any energy that doesn't belong to us. Let's take a deep breath in and release. Okay. On the next breath in, I would like you to do a complete body scan. On the inhale, take notice of any tension or tight muscles, and on the exhale, release that tension. Let's take a deep breath in. Hold it. Notice your toes, your calves, your thighs, your buttocks, your chest, your stomach, your shoulders, your neck, your hands, your mouth, your chin, your cheeks, your jaw clenching, your eyes, your forehead. Release all that tension as you breathe out. And on our last deep breath in, we're just going to take a little bit more in air to relax deeper and release. Let's take one more deep breath in to help you relax in a bit deeper now. Hold it and breathe it out slowly. When the drum beat begins, you will visualize yourself in your place and set the intention to meet and communicate with with nature. You're going to set the intention to explore the natural world in your journey, connect with the spirits of the animals, plants, or elements to gain insights or receive messages. Now, if you're ready, close your eyes and imagine yourself in your place in nature where you've chosen to be and set the intention. Again, you're going to state, "I want to explore the natural world and communicate with the spirit of animals, plants, or elements to gain insights or receive messages of guidance." Let's begin. Say thank you to any beings that came to you and retrace your steps back to the place you began. Welcome back. Stretch your body out. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, blink your eyes open. Now is your time if you want to write anything down that came to you. And if you have any questions or comments, I would love to connect and hear about your journeys and to support you in any way I can. If you'd like to try these live, you can find me on Meetup. And if you enjoyed this track and would like to have more, please rate my track and I could attempt to go live in the future here on Insight Timer. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I hope you really enjoyed this track, and I hope you have a wonderful day.